The top 5 ways to build wealth in your 20s. G'day everyone, welcome back to Financial Success. We want you to be financially free. It's great to meet again. In this video, we'll be talking about 5 different ways that you can build wealth in the defining decade, your 20s. But first, subscribe to our channel and click the notification bell to get notified whenever a new video is uploaded. You're never too young to set a course for wealth and success. Whether you're just getting started in your career or working towards the next big break, now is the time to start making your vision a reality. There's no foolproof fast path to becoming rich, but instead of daydreaming about that 6-figure or even better 7-figure income, here's information you can put to good use. Put these 5 steps into action now, and you'll be laying the groundwork in your 20s for stupendous financial success. 1. Have a plan of action. You'll need a strategy if you want to get wealthy. You'll need a budget that you'll be able to keep for the long haul. The fundamental to any budget is that it's a strategy for living within your means and spending wisely, both of which are essential for building wealth. Sticking to your budget also assures that you pay off and eliminate your bad debt, particularly high-interest credit cards. Your budget should include money for a cash reserve to cover monthly expenses and an emergency fund to cover the unforeseeable. 2. Maximize your earning potential. If you want to be wealthy, you must concentrate on making career selections that will enable you to earn more money. To become wealthy, you must figure out how to increase your earnings and bring in more income. Is it past time you ask for a raise? Are there any better paying job opportunities that you should consider? Consider whether you could earn more money with a degree or credentials in your field. What can you do to make the most of your earnings? Also, make sure you're working hard and putting everything you've got into whatever job you've got. 3. Have multiple streams of income. If you work hard in your 20s, you may be able to take it easier once you get older. Rather than putting your extra time towards obsessing over the best investment returns, we recommend making time to focus on earning more too. You can do this in a few ways. One popular method is to start a side hustle. This can be anything from freelance writing to driving the Uber on the side. If you work hard, the earning potential here can be incredible. You'll never become wealthy on one income. Anyone serious about getting rich needs to build multiple income streams. Can you offer a service or sell something? What about starting a home-based business, perhaps in an area you're already interested in? Do you have an idea for a product that you can create or something you're passionate about that you can monetize, like selling items on an online store? Be creative and think outside the box. 4. Create passive income. Residual passive income involves assets that pay you monthly for little to no work or for work you did once but no longer do. The income is key to automatically generating wealth over time. Some examples include collecting royalties from books you wrote, selling advertising on your blog or website, or selling digital products like ebooks, online courses, online workshops, or videos. Dividend-paying stocks can be another form of passive income. Other options include renting a room out of your house, creating an online store, or signing up for cashback shopping apps that offer bonuses for buying things that you already buy. 5. Whittle down your living expenses. Finally, do you really need to buy that latest piece of technology or splurge on fancy groceries? Chances are probably not. See how much you can cut back on your living expenses to save as much as possible. You might cook at home more, carpool to work, or even get rid of cable. You may be able to save as much as possible a year if you skip out on wants and focus on necessities. To build wealth, you need to live frugally. Most wealthy people don't start out driving expensive cars or living in mansions. They keep their living expenses as low as possible so they can use their surplus income to continue investing in wealth-building opportunities. The more money you have to reinvest, the faster you can accumulate wealth by compounding. Ruthlessly cut your expenses on things that don't serve you. Look for ways to reduce your bills, including your credit card rates. You may even consider getting rid of your vehicle and using carpool options or public transport. If you're already living pretty bare bones, think of other things you can do, like reducing your energy bills or inviting a roommate into your home. Even small changes can leave you with more money in your pocket. We have some additional tips to build wealth in your 20s that are too important to skip. Plan for the long term, always. When it comes to how to build wealth in your 20s, saving for retirement is extremely important. Now's a great time to start saving for retirement, even if it seems a long way off. Unfortunately, many people in their 20s aren't heeding this advice. Only 39% of people in their 20s save for retirement, which could put them at risk for not having enough to rely on once they stop working. Starting in your 20s, you should be investing in a retirement plan. If your employee has a matching program for a 401k plan, don't miss out on their generosity by not contributing. If that's not an option, look into starting an IRA, individual retirement account. It's crucial to begin saving for retirement early on, so you can take advantage of the magic of compound interest. And you should also be socking some money away into an emergency fund to protect you and prevent you from going into massive debt if the worst happens. By saving for the long term, you'll ensure you're building a nest egg to see you for the rest of your life. Invest in yourself. Self-improvement should always be a big goal for you. Following the opportunities that come your way and acquiring as many skills and knowledge as you can. You never know where this will lead you. You are your own best resource. To increase your option and discover your best opportunities, you must invest in yourself. That means taking a hard look at your talents, interests, and skills and considering the best way to maximize your potential. This may mean spending money and time on your education and working to increase and refine your skills. You'll need to branch out, broaden your mind, and connect with others. You should be gaining experience and looking for valuable opportunities that will help you build your financial foundation. While taking a class on marketing, you might be able to network with an employer for a higher paid position. Or maybe those Spanish lessons you took will help you advance in your current role. Never stop learning and always work towards accomplishing your goals. That said, improving yourself should lead to both personal and professional development. And that means more money in your pocket. Bottom line. Now that you know how to build wealth in your 20s, you can create a stable financial base that can lead to a lifestyle of monetary happiness. That said, you are still in your 20s, so remember to have fun. You can still reward yourself and have fun while being frugal. With the wealth building tips we have shared with you, we hope you achieve the financial success you seek. Hey, you made it to the end of this video, so what do you think? Which of these tips do you like most and would be implemented into your daily routine? Let us know in the comments section. If you enjoyed this video, make sure you drop a like and subscribe. Oh, and turn on the post notifications. Now, if you'll excuse me, thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.